Hi, we're interns at Walter P. Moore, and this is a little look into what our summer internship has been like.
A lot of my day-to-day work involves like CA work or working with project teams on things like checks for existing structures or the design and detailing of new structures, like using SAP 2000, and I have to use like software like Revit as well.
When I saw what Walter P. Moore structural team was doing, applying was a no-brainer. Walter P. Moore designs complex stadiums and tall buildings, which I wanted to be part of. Apart from mentorship and technical trainings, I like the real project work what Walter P. Moore does.
This internship has shown me how many niches there are within structural engineering and which ones I could see myself pursuing. Getting to talk to experienced engineers has been really valuable in shaping my career goals.
What I really appreciate about Walter P. Moore's company culture is the people. Everyone here has been so welcoming and willing to help and answer all my questions. Having their support has really made my experience here.
Thanks for watching a little bit of info about our summer internship at Walter P. Moore. I know me and the other interns in the Houston office have had a great time and we've really learned a lot. Thank you all for watching.